In today's video, let me show you how to use YouTube Music with YouTube Premium. Welcome back to this new tutorial video on how Genic. YouTube Music Premium is a core component of YouTube Premium subscription. So if you do have a premium subscription for YouTube, to use YouTube Music as well with the YouTube Premium, you simply need to ensure that you have both of your YouTube app and the YouTube Music application signed in with the same Google account that you use to subscribe to YouTube Premium. As soon as you ensure that, you'll be able to use the premium features that YouTube Music provides. Some of those premium features are downloading offline music, ad-free experience, and more. So make sure that you log in using a same Google account on the same web browser to use them both seamlessly. So that's all there is for this video. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.